Guys, welcome back. So this is part 2 of the Honcho Wholesale unboxing for the second actual box that I have. So if you want to see the actual unboxing, go over, watch the first video. It will be linked in the description box below to actually see the items that I got. I don't re-show the items that I got in this video. Instead, I go through the process of using my phone to scan the items, scan the barcodes to see if they're in the Amazon catalog, and if I can actually send them in the FBA and what profit I will make. And then those items that are not in the catalog will be scanned onto other online platforms and sold there, and then I come back with the final numbers. So if you're interested in seeing it, please continue to watch. Or let me just take you back to what the actual receipt is here. So I ordered a box of women's plus size apparel, primarily for fall and winter. The MSRP is $1,435 worth of products. It's 25 items. All these items are considered to be shelf pulls, okay? And I spent $165.50 for $25 for 24 items, excuse me. For 24 items, it brings me to $6.62 each. So let's see if I'm gonna make my money back. Now remember, this box has a lot of dupes in it, so I'm hoping that I don't recall if the dupes were the actual same size, but if they were and they're on the catalog, that'd be so awesome. So we're scanning the first item here, which is this purple chunky sweater in a size 3X, and it is on there. The rank is awesome, and there are currently no FBA sellers, so we love that because we get to set our price. So looks like it's going for $25 and what's that, 97 cents? Yep. So it's going for $25.97, which gives us a profit of $14.87. Next is the same item, same size. So that's going to be times 2. Oops. And that was a profit of 14, right? So 14 is 28. Yes. Okay, here we go. Waffle knits going for $11.99. I already have this one. So $6. We spent a little, almost $7 on it, so we'll get most of that money back. A lot of this I've scanned so far is not in the catalog, so that means I will be busy. Let's see. Uh-oh, this one might not scan. I'm gonna have to. This is one of the ones that they made a ticket for, so I'm gonna have to key in the barcode. Okay, at least it was worth keying in. It is in there. Going for $21. We will make 14. 14 seems to be the magic number. Scan it again. I didn't have the barcode. Okay, that one's not on there. Okay, that one is. It's going for $17.98. After fees, we will get $11. All right. Oh, this was what there is on there. going for 17. Nope. Yes, going for 17.98, and we can get 10 back. All right, it's on there. Going for 21.88. I will make 12 on there. Going for 22.98. I will make 14. Let me key this in because this is actually showing a different skew from what's scanning. This is 636. So these are just things that you need to, pay attention to, like the little things, because it was showing, it came up a different skew number, a different UPC number from what was actually scanning. See, and when I keyed it in, it actually did come up. So there is a rank, but there aren't any other sellers on it, so I will have to do additional research before I can see the price. So that's good. That was that heavy ombre purple dress. Okay. Now this is the Michael Kors pants, and I already know that I am gated in Michael, but that's okay because I can get the information from the listing when I create my own listing. Okay, so this one's on there. It's going for $15.90, which will give me a profit of $9 on there. So this one is on there, but it doesn't have a sales rank. And it's funny because I have other variations of it, but it doesn't have a sales rank. Down there. Down to the last few items. And that one's on there. Going for $19.95. I will make $11. On there. Going for 19, I will make 11. Last item is this pretty INC top. I hope this is on there. Oh, poo. It's not on there. So I am going to tally my numbers up and come back to you with the final numbers. Hi guys. Okay, so I have tallied up all the numbers. So here we go. Off Amazon, I would make a total after fees of $146. On other platforms, after fees, I will make a total of $138. Combine those two together, that brings me to a grand total after fees of $284. Subtract what I spent on the lot, and I get an overall profit of $118.50. Not bad for 25 items, right? So thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye now.